this can be solved many ways. What I will do is I will substitute x square equals to sec t. Okay, and let's see what comes. So if I substitute x square equals to sec t, why? Because if I squaring on both sides, here what I will get is x4 equals to, I will get sec4 t. So I need x4 minus 1. So x4 minus 1 equals to this is squaring on both sides. Okay, here we will get square. Okay, squaring on both sides. So x square become x4, this become x square, becomes sec square t minus 1. So sec square t minus 1 is, we have, this is 10 square t. Okay, and this is my x4 minus 1. So since square root is there, if I take square root on both sides, so we'll get, this is my 10t. Okay, so this become my 10t. Therefore, I am substituting x square equals to sec t. Okay, so I need x. Okay, from here x equals to, if I taking square root on both sides, this is square root of sec t is my x. Okay, from here let's find dx. Okay, so let's differentiate this, become twice x into dx equals to, differentiation of sec is sec x 10x. So sec t into 10t into dt. Okay, so I need only dx. So I need only dx is equals to this twice x I am sending down. So I have sec t into 10t into dt upon twice x. 2 into x is what? X is, I have square root of sec t. Okay, now let's substitute over here. Now let's change the limit. Okay, when x equals to 1. Okay, when x equals to 1, what about value of t? Okay, when x equals to 1, okay, therefore it's become a 0. Okay, when x tends to infinity, then t tends to 90 degree, that's pi by 2. Okay, so is equals to 1 to infinity become 0 to pi by 2. And what is dx? Dx is, I have sec of t into 10 of t into dt upon 2 square root of sec of t. This is my dx. Okay, into 1 upon, what is x? X is square root of sec of t into, this is my 10t. Okay, so this 10t and this 10t gets cancelled. Square root of sec t into square root of sec t is sec t. Okay, this sec t and this 2 gets cancelled. What we have is, we have 1 by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2. Everything gets cancelled. We have only dt. Okay, so it is same as half t. Okay, so limit is from 0 to pi by 2, upper limit minus lower limit. So half pi by 2 minus 0 is pi by 2. Therefore, it is pi by 2 to the 4. Okay, this is the required answer for this.